Alright fellas, just doing a video here of actually a reassembly of this HO locomotive train. This is an older locomotive, okay? It's J.W. Bowker is the name on the train, okay? And it's the V&T Railroad, as you see there, which was a real railroad. Alright, so the problem with this was, first off, this old train has the, it's like a can motor inside the tender. So it delivers the power and pushes basically the engine. Very similar to the John Bull and the Dewitt Clinton that I showed you. So I picked this up at the same thrift shop I got the giraffe car from. $8. I knew it wasn't working, but I knew it was worth a shot. This particular train, everybody praises how it runs. A lot of videos online of them running, but only one video I came across of a young man totally taking it apart to clean it and service it and put it back together. It was a very good video for me because there was one 3-second clip in that video which caught my eye, and I was able to figure out what was wrong with this train. One time in its life, somebody took this train apart, and in reassembling it, they left out a very, very important part. You put this on the track and turn it on, this motor will spin like crazy. It works beautiful, okay? The locomotive does not move, won't move an inch, no matter what I do. Okay, this is what I came up with. You see that round part right there coming out of the tender? Well, inside that, it's not round, it's hexagon. Now, in the back of the loco, same thing. That round little piece of plastic there, inside is hexagon. As soon as I seen that, I knew there had to be a drive shaft connecting one to the other. And it is missing. And sure enough, in watching that video that I told you very closely, when the gentleman pulled it apart, I seen that little drive shaft fall down onto his table. And as soon as I seen that, I knew. The light went on, and that is the whole problem. I pulled this entire train apart, every single piece, and actually had it apart and back together 3 times. 3 times. And then I found that video is the only video on YouTube, so I figured let me do another video with a close-up. Hopefully it'll help someone else in the future from going crazy about it. So that's the problem. I find this happens a lot with trains I pick up that don't run, I take a gamble on. I find that a lot of times it turns out to be one simple little part that's missing. And unfortunately, whoever took it apart and reassembled it, they left it out. This is a beautiful train, doesn't look like much now because it's all disassembled, but when you'll see it all back together, it's a beautiful train. And it looks very similar to the General, which was a very famous Civil War train, and very, very similar. So, at any rate, I'm going to try to fabricate that shaft out of a piece of plastic here. This whole plastic, this is like a drink stirrer. I'm going to try to fabricate a shaft and get it in there and connect the 2 ends, and I think we'll be in business. We'll see. So, and this will be used to pull the giraffe train. So, thanks for watching, guys. Welcome your comments. I hope this is helpful to somebody out there, because I know I went crazy trying to figure it out. Book 'em, Dano.